Good morning, all of you. In the last class, we discussed about the why the database is very important in organization, as well as there are different types of components available in a DBMS. What are the components are very important. Okay, in a DBMS. So in the last class, we discussed about the two concepts. Now the relationship. Relationship means what? Relationship and range. Relationship means what? Relationship ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ which kind of a ಸಂಬಂಧ huh? So if we are talking about the database, no, database is a collection of related data in the form of rows and columns, means tables. Database contains the many tables, so each and every table is having a connectivity with each other. Okay, that connection is called as a relationship between the two tables or a two or more tables. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅದು ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, two things or two person or anything it may be, or two tables. How the two tables or two persons are connected with each other? What is the exactly relationship the both things are having? Okay, in a DBMS, in a database which is a collection of multiple tables, so each and every table are having a connectivity with each other. Okay, that connectivity is called as a relationship. Table is nothing but an entity. You can call a table relation or an entity. So let us see what is the difference between table, entity and a relation. As you can see in this table, I created one table, that is a student table. Okay, this student table which contains a many attributes. Student is having ID, no, unique ID, plus the name of the student, then address of the student, next address student, phone number of the student. Okay, so the name of this table, that is student. Now we can call this is the entity. This one is called as an entity. Okay, these are the attributes. You can also call these are properties. Properties are characteristics. This is one of the marker. No, what are the characteristics? What are the properties or what are the attributes of this marker? Anyone? Huh? Color is also one of the attributes. Next, length, width, and weight. Next, these are the attributes of this marker. Now, this mobile phone. What are the attributes of this mobile phone? Camera. Camera adu alri. Properties re adu. Then height, next weight, and screen, length, plus color of this one. Okay, which kind of a screen which is having? The screen quality. Otherwise, take a good example. Student is having his own properties or attributes. Every student again attribute irtav. Student name, student ID, student address, and student phone number, student mail ID. Okay, these are the attribute of that student. The name of the table, is called as an entity. So these properties are there, no? These properties are called as an attribute. If the table is having a data in it, we can call these are the data. The whole table is called as an whole table ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಎಬಿಸಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ತೆಕ್ತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. The name of the table ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? No, only name of the table. Entity. Next, the properties or characteristics of the students, we can call those are attributes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z, and phone number something around that. Okay, these are called as data. That is in the form of rows and columns. Okay, this whole table is called as an Yes, sir.
Madam, that's become related. You are having continuous classes today.
Okay, this whole table is called as a relation. If this relation is not contained any data in it, then this part, whole part is called as a ಇದು ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಏನೈತಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ID, name, address, phone number. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಐತಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. then this is a description of the table. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ yes very good. this is called as a schema, not schema, schema. okay, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. now any doubts in entities, attributes, data values, relation and schema? Relation is different, relationship is different. Keep in mind. Relationship means what? The connectivity or a relationship between the two tables. We can call that as a relationship. Relation means what? Table. Table in relation ಅಂತೀವಿ. Relationship ಅಂದ್ರ ಎರಡು ಏನೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ನಡುವೆ ಏನೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Relation is a table that's stored in a database that is in the form of rows and the values are stored in that table in the form of rows and columns. Then relationship ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? Two tables. That is called as a relationship. Now today's concept is relationship. Relationships. Don't recall your relationships. Whatever. Okay. Huh? You have so many have a? Which one you recall, madam? I have many relationships. No. Okay. Let's okay. The next concept is relationship. Don't ask. Okay, write down. ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Notebook ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ? Why? Definition. Relationship is an association among several entities. A relationship with what is a relationship? Exactly, new definition ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ a relationship is, first concentrate here, after that you can write. Relationship is an association. Association means what?
ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈ ತರ ಅವ್ರು ನಾವು ಏನು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ with the help of the arrow marks. This is called as an association. Okay, relationship is an association among the several entities. Several means what? Bhal. Entities means what? Entities ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ schema type schema ನಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ the name of the table like this. ಇದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅದ student. Okay, entity ಹೇಗೆ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ? with the help of the rectangular. Student. Student is a table. Okay, the name of the student, the name of that table is a student. This is called as an entity. Okay, student plus lecturer. This is also one of the entity. This is also one of the entity. The lecturer, student having a relationship now means lecturer teaches the student. Teaches is a relationship between the lecturer and the student. Which kind of a relationship the both are entities are having? Teaching, or a lecturer teaches the student. Teaching is a relationship between the two entities. Okay, and represent part of the relationship with the help of the diamond symbol like this. In between teaches. This diamond symbol is there, no? That is used to represent the relationship between the two entities. Clear after? Student. Here the student. In the student learn from the lecturer, or lecturer teaches the student. So that teaches is a relationship between the two entities, no? So that relationship is represented by the diamond symbol. Okay. Next, the relationship is an association among and between among several entities. Not only two entities, bhal entities irtavri. Bhal entity no bhal entities jothe connect irtavri. Okay, adraga four types are: one to one relationship, one to two relationship, and one to n relationship, or a many to many relationship. One to one means what? Only one entity is having a relationship, only one entity. That is called as a one to one. Okay, if one entity is having a relationship with a many entities, that is called as a one to many. Or many to many means what? Many entities are having a relationship with a many entities. That is called as a many to many. Keep in mind. It's very important concept. Okay, but very easy answer. Okay, relationship is an association among the several entities. A relationship with a similar set called as a relationship set. I set it similar sets. Okay, the relationship with a similar set. And the relationship set it to under. That's relationship set. Set means what? Group. Set and group. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಟೇಬಲ್ಗಳು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್? No doubt? Okay, very good. Let us see how many types of relationships are there. One to one. There are totally four types of relations are there. They are, first one is a one to one relationship. One to one relationship. Second one is one to many relationship. Then third one is many to one relationship. Many to one. Then many to many relationship. Example clear आराम बरतने हाँ इसी ನೀವು ಹೇಳಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ Okay, leave that one. Concentrate here. How many types of relationships are there? Total 4 types of relationships. First one is the one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. In every one and many, relations entities. One entity is having a relationship only one entity. Like that, one entity is having a relationship with the many entities. Okay, many entities are having a relationship with the one entity. Many entities are having a relationship with the many entities. Many entities. Okay, let us see the first one. What is the one-to-one relationship? First one is a one-to-one relationship. Assume that this is a relationship. ಹಿಂಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. One-to-one relationship that is represented by 1:1. So there are two entities are there. First entity A and the second one is a B entity. So here the entity A is associated with the most one entity is a B. A is having a association between the most only one entity. One entity ಅದರ ಇಲ್ಲ. One entity ಜೊತೆನೆ ಐತಿ but ಅದರ attributes ಎಷ್ಟಾವಿ? 3 ಅದಾವ. One attribute ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. One attribute ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಅದಾವ ಎಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ but ಈ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಒಳಗ ಇರುವ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ attributes ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ attributes ಅದಾವ. But only one attribute is connected to this attribute. ಒಂದೇ attribute ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If suppose ಇದು ಒಂದು attribute ಏನಾರೆ ಈ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಏನಂತಾರಿ? One to many. ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ one to many. ಹಂಗ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ many to one. ನೀನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ one to many. ನೀನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ many to many like this. Simple ada hard. Okay. Entity A is associated with the most one entity B and entity in B is associated with the most one entity A. Figure ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ? One to one ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? Entity ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ A, B, ಏನಿದೆ? Okay, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ entity ಅದ, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ entity ಅದ, but each entity having a many attributes like this. But only attribute is having a connectivity with one attribute like this. This is called as a one-to-one relationship. Next, one-to-many relationship means what? This is one-to-many. One-to-many is represented by like this. M stands for many. One-to-many and kindly. One is connected with the one attribute is connected to the only one attribute. That's called as a one-to-one. This is called as a one-to-many. Then the third one, many-to-one relationship. Many-to-one relationship. Many-to-one relationship. Many attributes are having a relationship with the different entities, one attribute. That is called as a many-to-one. These are the many attributes are there, no? The both three attributes are having a connection with the A attribute. Many attributes are connected to the only one attribute. That is called as a many-to-one. Then the last one, many-to-many means what? Many-to-many. Three. I forgot to admit. Sapri. Time ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಿರಿ ಬಟ್ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Okay guys, anybody have a doubt? You can ask me. I think there is no doubt in this concept. This is a very easy concept also. Okay. Still anybody have a doubt? You can ask me. No doubt? Please raise your hands. If you are not having any doubts, please raise your hands. Guys, okay. First, all are active. Very good guys. Okay guys, this is the end of your class now. In the next class, I come up with a new further very important topic plus very interesting topic. Don't miss the classes. Plus these are very important topics. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys and a very happy new year to all. Thank you.